friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vani and again I came back here with a very new product, which is a sewing machine. And there are so many sewing machines in the market. When I was searching for it, there was an iron sewing machine, there was an old sewing machine, there's a traditional sewing machine and the modern one. So I got confused which one to bought. Then I finally decided and I got one sewing machine which is also branded one. And this is the very first time which I got it because I always have to struggle. I think there are so many ladies out there who's struggling for the small stuff and going to the tailor, like the people like me, the women like me in my age. So they don't know how to stitch it, but thanks to the lockdown and due to lockdown we cannot go out in the market and we cannot search tailor because it's not safe. So I decided to got my own sewing machine so that I can do at least a small thing at home, and later on once you are good with small stuff, you can try a new thing, start stitching by yourself. It can be your hobby too. So I got it today. So let me show you what I got, and here it is. The price for this sewing machine is 6,975 and the model is m1005 and the brand is Single. So it comes with the accessories, one foot controller and one instruction manual. So let's begin to open the sewing machine. So here I will get roped. Let's see this. This is an electric sewing machine, so you don't have to paddle it like a classic one. My mom used to paddle the sewing machine, so now we don't have to do this because you have this charger. So this is quite easy nowadays. And this is the adapter for the charger. So it has an adapter and it has a foot switch. This is the foot switch, so you can start the swing by pressing it by foot. And here there's some more item, like a bobby pin is here, needle will be there. Yes. In this packet you have this bobby pin. They give some needles inside the paper. You will have a needles, I think. Yeah, here's the needle. This is 3 extra bobby pin. This is threader from which you can take out the thread. This look like this. Threader. This is a screwdriver for the sewing machine. And this one is a beading foot. This is the beading foot. Okay, so these are the accessories which we will use in our sewing machine. So let's see how our sewing machine will work. This is very lightweight and this is not even heavy. So what my mom used was really heavy and we have to really work harder to use that swing. So this is the adapter which will run in the electricity. So for the adapter you have a points here. So here you have to plug in the adapter. So here I will plug the adapter and I will connect this adapter to the power. So once you plug in the adapter, you will get the light here. So here is the LED light. So this is so it's easy for you to see the needle and the thread. For the foot switch, I have to plug in here again. There's one more plug point. This is in the top of the adapter switch. So here. So I have to plug this one. Now I have to prepare for the bobbin. For that I have to take one thread. So that thread I have to plug in here. And then I have to take the thread from this first step and then take it second here and just one time and okay and just press this to the right side and then you have to press. So here your bobbin is getting ready. You just take out the bobbin and cut it with the scissor. Now take the bobbin in anti-clockwise and place it here in the bobbin section. Bobbin in the anti-clockwise, take the thread and take it to the right direction and take it to the front and then close this. And after that you need to place the real thread from the top to go like this and then take it down the second number and then you have to open just one time. You have to rotate this and then take it up. This is the third tension and after that you have to take this down slowly and you can see here fourth one. So place this thread here and then put the thread down here and just pull this. This is so easy. I had already fixed the thread from top and in the bobbin. So now what I have to do, I'm taking any sample clothes and I'm placing it here and after that I'm pulling this handle down so that I can stitch and I'll start pressing this foot switch and this is how I'll start stitching. So can you see? These are the stitches. These are the stitches which is happening. You can do many design. You can do many design from this. And here is the cutter. So if you don't have the scissor, so you can take this thread up here and place it here. And you can cut and you can see the stitches. So this will make your life easy as you don't have to go anywhere out to roam around for the smallest thing which you can do by yourself. You can see here there are the varieties of stitches: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. There are 11 type of design which you can do. This is very simple, and then you can go and you can also do the picot from this sewing machine. For the picot, they have already given on this one. So for picot, you have to remove this one and you have to place this and you have to start doing a picot. So I have to show you the demo how to do the picot. For picot, we have to change the foot, and this is how the picot foot look like. So this, I got this in the single machine itself in accessories. For that, you have to remove the basic foot. For that, you have to lift this handle up. You have to lift this up and this will come down. At the same time, you just put the picot foot and place this down and it will capture. So here you got your picot foot. So I taken a clothes. This is the old picot which is done by the company, so I'm gonna do here. So which I'll see how my machine will do this picot. So I have placed this and now I'll start to doing. So okay, so you can see these are the picots which is done by me with the new machine, and this is really impressive, this modes. So you can do picot designs. So this is the big, this is medium, this is small, this is zigzag. So you can choose your picot style accordingly, and these are the plain stitch. So here you will get 11 designs. So friends, this is the demo which I given to you.